Welcome to part 4 of my JavaScript pattern series. In this episode, we're diving into the powerful prototype pattern. Check out this code from previous video on factory pattern. As we discussed, this has a major inefficiency. Every time we create new object, the methods like drive and ride are recreated and stored separately in memory for each instance. This is wasteful if you create many objects. The prototype pattern solves this by defining methods on the prototype, so all instances share the same method definitions. This saves memory and improves performance. For now, let's only focus on create car function. We should convert this create car function into a constructor function. A constructor function is a function that starts with an uppercase letter, follows the Pascal case naming convention, and can be instantiated with new keyword. Now, instead of returning the values, we should set it with this keyword. I'm gonna cut this drive method to set it on the prototype. To do so, we're going to access the prototype on the car. Then we're adding this drive method, and I'm gonna paste this drive method here with the function keyword. For accessing the values, we should use the this keyword again. Now we can create objects from this car function with new keyword. Every object created from this car constructor function has this drive method in a performant way. But this way of writing this car constructor function has an issue. Remember that arrow functions in JavaScript have no this keyword for themselves. So in order to access the this keyword on the function, we should change the arrow function. And also remember that the this keyword inside the constructor function has no value, and it will point to the current object. Another cool example for this prototype pattern is extension of methods on any objects. As an example, I have this array of numbers here, and I can access the prototype on array and extend it and add my own calc_sum method. With this function, we try to calculate the sum of items inside an array. This will point to the current array, and we can run the reduce method on that to calculate the sum. You can see that I can run it on my array as a valid method. This method will be available on any arrays. The prototype pattern aligns perfectly with JavaScript's prototypal inheritance to share properties and methods between objects efficiently. If you enjoyed watching this, please like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. See you in the next pattern.